Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Can women fast during their menstruation period?
No. I will explain to you. Actually, there's an ayat in the Quran regarding menstruation. And that I will read for you in Surah Al-Baqarah 2 and ayat 222. You can write down Surah Al-Baqarah 2 and ayat 222. And it says, وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الْمَحِيضِ قُلْ هُوَ ذَا فَاعْتَزِلُوا النِّسَاءَ فِي الْمَحِيضِ وَلَا تَقْرَبُوهُنَّ حَتَّى يَطْهُرْنَ فَإِذَا تَطَهَّرْنَ فَأْتُوهُنَّ مِنْ حَيْثُ أَمَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ التَّوَّابِينَ وَيُحِبُّ الْمُتَطَهِّرِينَ. And they question you about the menstruation, say it is a hurt and anxiety. So detach the woman in the menstruation and you do not go near them until they are purified. Then come to them from Allah, from where Allah has ordered you. So Allah loves those who return and He loves those who are purified. Now we must understand, her question is that can women fast during menstruation? Now we cannot call menstruation a sickness because Allah says it's a hurt. They are questioning you about the menstruation, say it is a hurt or anxiety, physical pain and some. But it says that they are not purified. Physical purification and psychologically they are not purified during those periods. So now what is the purpose of fast? Is to improve their taqwa, to take guard. Okay? So now Allah says in the Quran, there is one more ayat, Surah Al-Waqi'ah 56 and ayat 77, 78 and 79. إِنَّهُ لَقُرْآنٌ كَرِيمٌ فِي كِتَابٍ مَكْنُونٍ لَا يَمَسُّهُ إِلَّا الْمُطَهَّرُونَ. Surely it is indeed a Quran reading honorable, hidden in a book, in a kitab writing or a book. None can touch it except those who are purified. So there is a period of time that women are not purified because of this. Allah's creation, Allah made them, it's not wrong. Allah has made them like that, they are not purified. So apart from men not going near, that is alright, but the question, they cannot touch the essence of the Quranic ayat. They cannot touch it, the Quranic essence, until they get purified. Similarly, men are not also purified. Men, there are times men's psyche is not purified, or they are also in junub, in a condition they are not purified, so they cannot touch the essence of the Quranic ayahs. So the question is, your question again, I am coming back to this. And then Allah says that if you are not purified, you can't touch the book. You can't touch the essence, meaning not physical book. This is, I can touch, any woman can touch this book. The essence in the book, you cannot touch it because of not purified. So now you can, so you comes into in a condition of that the word I use, encircled or enclosure. So what you do is either you know, but it can be removed after 7 days. It will be removed after 7 days, then you fast. For that period you cannot fast. But after the periods are over, you can fast, but it is not a sickness directly. Remember this. You cannot call a sickness. Because Allah says you are, in sickness the word is mariz. Mariz, you understand this word, mariz? So it's not sickness, but you are hurt and anxiety is going on and you are not purified. And the purpose of Allah's ayahs is to take guard. When you fast, you guard yourself. You cannot guard yourself, the beginning you are not purified. So you can afterwards, but there are some women who have got continuous problem. So if they are in continuous problem, then they are that condition, encircled and enclosure. So they will not fast at any time and they will not pray at any time. But we are talking about those women who will, the days are over, they can fast. And I think that is a practice in the world. When in the month of Ramadan, they leave the fast and when they complete the fast in the other days. Okay?